Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some cleaning and organizing of my refrigerator. Between the three roommates and I, we have accumulated a lot of leftovers and food, and as of right now there's no clear-cut organization for the four of us, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I like to start off by removing all the food from the fridge, and I check all of the expiration dates and throw away anything that's been in there too long. And then keep in mind, when you're working with a fridge, you want to move quickly so that the food's not sitting out at room temperature too long. So after I remove all the food out of the fridge, I like to use the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner in lemon verbena scent and a scrub brush that I usually use for dishes, but this one's old, so I'm going to go ahead and use it to get all the gunk off the surfaces. And then afterwards I polish with my lemon verbena Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. And then for the bottom of the refrigerator, I like to vacuum out all the crumbs that have accumulated with my Dyson V6 hand attachment before I go ahead and wipe the surface down. So after I cleaned out the fridge, I like to go over to the sink and clean out my drawers with the 7th generation dish soap. So for some organization in my fridge, I went to Walmart and picked up these rose gold mesh baskets and also a clear basket. So the top shelf in our refrigerator is a community shelf, and that's where we store most of our drinks and our dairy. And then one roommate will get the top shelf with 2 mesh baskets, and another roommate will get the second shelf with 2 mesh baskets. So they have their own space to put in their own food in, and that's theirs that no one will touch. And then in the cheese drawer is a community drawer as well, and that's where we'll just keep all of our cheeses and some lunch meats. And then another community space in our fridge is this one, and that's where we'll store all our leftovers. And then the last 2 roommates will get their own drawers to put all of their stuff in, and we adjusted the temps for these drawers accordingly to what we're storing in them. And the last thing I like to do is to put some baking soda in the back of the fridge, and that's just to keep everything smelling fresh. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit like, comment, or subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you back, and I hope you got some motivation to clean and organize your fridge as well.